Today we have a video from Cold Blue Cam, and the title of the video is why why hijacking a school bus became his worst mistake ever.
Is he on the bus? On the bus, on the bus! Squads, he's on the bus, on the bus! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
What starts as a simple restraining order violation quickly takes a turn when officers realize the suspect has been involved in much more than just one call, changing the entire case.
What's in your pants?
Y'all do what y'all gotta do.
What's in your pants?
In your pants. Nothing that will hurt you guys.
It's 3:13 p.m. on January 2nd, 2025, and Milwaukee's police officers are waiting outside a suspect's residence in Wisconsin after he violated a restraining order an hour ago. But suddenly, he takes off at high speed in his silver Mercedes-Benz, kicking off a pursuit that's about to end in a way he never sees coming.
Bradley.
Okay. What's that? Yeah, you might as well.
One for Ariad. That's in Calumet.
For eastbound passing 94th Street. Speeds are 80 miles an hour. Traffic is medium. Clear left, clear right, they're clear back.
That car. Okay, good. It's terrible. They're in oncoming traffic.
Yeah.
Temporarily lost eyes here.
Give me the description.
He's still southbound.
Silver Mercedes, dark tin, no plates.
What type of Mercedes?
Sticks up good. Good sticks.
Where are they at? Where?
What number? 970 sticks. Green Tree Road 76. Green Tree Road 76. Good sticks.
I can't see anything.
Okay. All right.
Just take the lane.
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah.
I know.
But
Get the f out of the way.
I get in there.
Now southbound on 64.
Yeah, I'm just saying, like they were in a turn here.
The first incident happened around 2:15 p.m. at a Popeyes restaurant in the area where the suspect, 23-year-old Kevin, violated a restraining order by contacting his ex-girlfriend. He pulled up next to her car, rolled down his window, said something to her, and drove off. Not long after, he came back and started throwing things at her car. When she tried to leave, Kevin followed her and allegedly rammed her vehicle with his own.
What the heck? Oh, this guy is nuts.
Or nothing like that. Just a police report, just showing you got no injuries or nothing like that too. This part of it, yeah. That's new too. Yeah. Get that manager, man. Come back with detail. And she said it, he hit her when she got out there, so we'll see. But we'll just get this manager name and everything. So this camera's facing away. I know.
Soon after, officers tracked Kevin down to his home, where they found him sitting in his car, setting off this chase. As Kevin blows through multiple traffic violations and puts lives at risk, things are about to end soon.
Just past the ball, clear right, clear left, clear right, clear.
Going east on Hobblink from 64th.
There he is running.
Southbound 61, now eastbound.
Stop, police! Can you get through there? Is he on the bus? On the bus, on the bus! Is he on the bus? Squads, he's on the bus, on the bus! Stop, police! Go that way, that way, that way! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Woo! Put one in it. Put one in him.
Get on the ground! Down! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Now!
What an idiot.
Drop that. Drop that.
Anyone else? 5918 on 61, please.
your hands. I'm not resisting. I can't breathe. Give me your hand.
Hands behind your back now. Hands behind your back now.
They are, sir. Promise to God they are.
You do it now. You do it now.
They are, sir.
Do it now or you're getting tased.
Release your hand. Do it now.
Do it.
I can't breathe. Keep put his back down.
Release your hand.
They are released.
Put it behind your back.
Here they are.
You got anything on you're not supposed to have?
I can't right now. Your face is in the way.
Yeah, you got anything on you're not supposed to have?
No weapons.
Stop grabbing me.
It's just fucking ridiculous. You're trying to steal a freaking bus, man. I saw you in the driver's seat.
Where's the car?
Probably.
He's got something in his pocket. Yeah.
Listen, I see why she broke up with his dumb ass. Yeah, get far away from this lunatic, man. Look at this goofy, man. Got a mask on like nobody don't know who you is, man. Yeah, see, ladies, you gotta run far away from guys like this. Far away, man. See, he can't control his emotions. He's emotional. She moved on, man. She moved on. She got herself a new man. You know what I'm saying? She got herself a new man. Moving on. She working, doing her thing, you know. Got her a little job, you know. And he can't take it, man. He just like, man, well, if I can't be with you, nobody can. And that's it, man. Come on, man. Crashing out, man. It's so bad she had to get a restraining order. So you know he been putting her through hell. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Sit up. What's in your pants? What's in your pants? What's in your pants?
Y'all do what y'all gotta do.
What's in your pants? In your pants.
Nothing that will hurt you guys.
What is it?
I can't breathe, man. I don't know if it's his or yours. You can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'm running with the whole extra 30 pounds on me.
Hey, can you call my people for me?
Nah, be quiet. All right, stand up. Make sure he's got something.
He's got something in. It's a big bag.
I grab it.
Appreciate it. He had a. Did you see his light? He had a lighter too. I didn't see anything else. Yeah, I think there was a key on it.
Someone grabbed that. I think it was a lighter.
I think there might have been a key on there.
Gotcha.
Officers have already found a bunch of drugs in his pants, but it won't take long before they search his car and find exactly what they may have been suspecting.
What's in your pants? Do your job. I'm talking about my money. Yeah, that's your money.
I got your money right here.
Mine's right here. Yeah, you got it.
Oh, money. $3.
Did he cut his hand?
Oh, yeah. He's probably jumping the fence.
Going over fences? Right hands?
$3.
They already called for medical, right?
He hooting and hollering over $3.
We don't have any.
Just drag him through.
Better start listening to directions, man.
The girl came off the bus, I was pointing, I thought she was pointing at the field across the way. And I'm looking, I'm like, I don't see him, like I should see him in this big open field.
I was like,
he's on the bus.
I was like, oh, did she go because we're coming around with guns? And then, oh, is he on the bus? She's like, yeah. I was like, oh, shit. And he was up in the driver's seat doing something.
I just see her pointing, like okay, so he crossed the street. And I'm like, oh, there's a big empty field there with nobody in it. Oh, there's a bunch of in his pants.
Oh, yeah.
We were primary on the
Just before Kevin jumped out of his car to escape on foot, he had rammed his vehicle into an unoccupied gray Ford Escape. Now, as officers talk to witnesses and search his vehicle, they uncover even more reasons to stack on additional charges.
I don't think there was a bus driver on there. Well, there was that lady and a kid. I don't know if she took off, and I don't know where she went. And then he was in the driver's seat.
Oh.
I got that one, got the other one. You have a whole side floorboard, the same bag. I got the photo in place, but if I can have you prop her up for me, please. Oops.
Squad number 3, be advised. Officer Cummings is going to be doing follow-up. Number 612 North 32nd Street, unmarked squad.
Somebody said he's got a big bag in his crotch or something.
Oh,
yeah.
He's got more over here.
Yeah, there's shake everywhere.
Yeah.
Some more in the center console.
Is that promethazine in the bottle?
There's nothing.
No, the promethazine.
Oh.
Yep. The spike strips on the front.
Yeah. Yeah, TSU got him, so.
His ass in grass.
I lost sight of him. I got to the front and I'm like looking, I'm like, all right, like you said, there's that giant field. I don't see him running through there. I see the lady just scrambling off the bus and I'm like, oh, I was like, is he on the bus? She's like, huh?
The driver was?
Some lady and a kid.
Okay.
And they're like literally scrambling off the bus. And I'm like, is he on the bus? And she's like, yeah. I was like, oh. So I was like, oh my God. And then I'm looking and I see someone in the passenger seat. I'm like, what the hell? And I'm like, okay, maybe the driver's still on there, like trying to get the bus off or whatever. And suddenly stands up and bolts off the bus. And I'm like, oh, that is him.
Yeah, I was a little premature on that. We're taking him into custody. I'm just turning around. Like, we're taking him into custody. I see him jump onto this driver to the door.
What the
Just like,
Eventually, officers found an empty box of small sandwich bags, a cracked black iPhone, a gray smartphone, a bottle of promethazine hydrochloride, a digital scale, an ID, and several marijuana baggies that weighed a total of 155.49 grams from Kevin's car.
Cars of all type of stuff he done did. You know, his cars, we got everything. And everything. So
It's love! It's love!
After being medically cleared, Kevin was brought to the jail without incident. Ultimately, Kevin was charged with felony, vehicle fleeing, eluding an officer, causing property damage, second-degree recklessly endangering safety, possession with intent to deliver controlled substance, misdemeanor, obstructing an officer. His cash bond was set at $5,000. In August 2025, he was found guilty of fleeing an officer and possession with intent to deliver substances. Remaining charges were dismissed. Ultimately, he was sentenced to 3 years in the Wisconsin State Prison, followed by 3 years of extended supervision. What a...
See ya. See ya. See ya, Goofy. Yeah, man, it's unfortunate, but 3 years, you know, with good time, whatever, he'll probably do 2, maybe, you know, he'll probably do like 2 years. And he'll be right back out. But it's just unfortunate. I mean, if I was her, it's tough, but if I was her, I would strongly consider leaving that town, or at least at the bare minimum, get a new spot, you know, get a new apartment and ask for a transfer to another, whatever that was, Popeyes or whatever, something. Because it's just, at least try, you know. I know everyone's situation is different and it's easier said than done, but this guy is a nut job, man. And she could end up seriously getting hurt, man, because it seems like this guy is not letting up. But anyways, the officers did an outstanding job. I'm surprised they didn't get nothing with the bus, you know, with there maybe being kids on there or something like that. So I'm surprised nothing with the bus was included in those charges or whatever. But yeah. Anyways, so I give him a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.